Hello, hi there. I have a new mic for my camera here. So bought this for $33. Um, and I want to test it out. I'm actually attaching to it on the top of the camera right now and testing it out while eating my pizza. So it has this little mic here. So this little furry thing here are supposed to be wind receptor or windshield recepting. So whenever if I do this outside and you got there's a lot of windy day and it's a windy day, um, the the voice will still be clear. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the stand. The stand is pretty stable. I also say that stand's pretty stable. Come with this viewing um, pad. If you ever experience this being loose, you can always twist this inside. It's actually a little better than what I have. I bought this individually uh, on eBay, and there's actually more. This is actually much bigger, more high quality. All this is for the mic, for my voice to sound a little bit better. Okay, so I didn't plug in all the way in. So let me show you what I missed here. I didn't plug all the way in. So this cord was slightly uneven before. A little bit pushed out, so I just push it in. So that's why the sound quality might be off a little bit on that video. Okay, so it's on top. It's on the phone now. Yes, the thing's on the phone now. Looks like it tilt the mic. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me. If you can't or you don't like the product somehow, just give me a hate message down below. Reviews too. So I'm gonna keep using it as I'm doing my YouTube videos. See how it goes, because it only cost me $33. Amazon was like $60, so I got this from eBay anyway. Came with the pouch. We'll see. It's made in China, so it's not something fancy. Thanks for watching.